Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to merge multiple workbooks into one master workbook. I'm going to perform the task using Power Query. If you are using Microsoft 2013 and above versions, you can also perform the task as the way I'm performing. If you are using lesser versions of Microsoft 2013, you can perform the same using VBA code. And if you want me to make a video on the same using VBA code, please leave your sentence in the comment section. I'll happy to make that happen.
All right, let's these things kick off and learn on the subject matter. I have a folder and the folder contains different workbooks of each month data respectively. And the data format seems to be like this, and every book contains the same format. Like that, we have 5 books. To match these books, just I'm going to open a new workbook. In this workbook, go to data menu and go to the get and transform data section. In this panel, choose the get data option and choose the from file option, and finally choose the from folder option. It is asking us to give the folder path. Just go to the folder, give a right click on the folder, copy as path. We have copied the folder path and paste over here and press on open. We can able to see all the files details which were there in this folder path. And here we have 4 options: combine, load, transform data, cancel. In these options, I'm going to choose combine. Inside of this combine, I have 3 options. I'm going to choose combine and transform data. Okay, we came into preview panel. Here you can see any file preview. Choose any file and choose the sheet name. And we can able to see the preview. And we can able to see other workbooks preview also, right? Like that. Okay, now I'm going to press OK. We landed on the Power Query editor and my all files have been merged. Now you can see the different month names over here, right? That means my data is merged. Now I'm going to choose the option close and load from the home menu tab. I press close and load. Automatically my data has been merged and the data is arrived into worksheet. Now I'm going to get rid of this column, give a right click on the column and press delete. My data is ready to serve. Like that, we can merge n number of workbooks. If you like the video, please comment, share, subscribe, and share with others as well. Thank you.